In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube playlist to Notion in a few simple steps. If you've ever wanted to enhance your Notion page with media content, specifically a YouTube playlist, you're in the right place. We'll go through this process together, ensuring it's seamless and integrated smoothly into your workflow. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up Notion. You can do this on your preferred web browser or via the desktop application. Both work just fine. Notion is known for its versatility and ability to support various content types, making it a powerful tool for organizing projects or taking notes. Once you've logged into your Notion workspace, we can get started with the customization. Next, we need to access the page where you'd like to embed your YouTube playlist. Navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on the page in which you want to insert this playlist. If you haven't created a page for this specific use yet, simply start a new one. Insider tip: naming your pages clearly can really help with keeping everything organized. Once you're on the selected page, the fun part begins. Simply type the command or embed into the page. Notion/command system is a quick way to access and perform various actions without leaving the page you're currently on. As soon as you type embed, you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. This menu lists various options for embedding, and for this task, we'll specifically select the embed option. On desktop, you can either hit enter after hovering over the embed command or click it directly with your mouse. Now that you have the embed option ready, the next step is to grab the link of your desired YouTube playlist. Navigate to YouTube, find the playlist you want, and copy its link from the address bar at the top of your browser. Once you've got the link, head back to your Notion page and paste it into the URL box that appears after selecting embed. You'll want to make sure the YouTube link is pasted correctly to avoid any hiccups. Once pasted, you'll see an option to embed link. Click on that. This action tells Notion to process the link and display the playlist directly in your page, and there you have it. Your YouTube playlist is now live in Notion. You should see it wonderfully embedded and ready for playback. This integration can be a game changer for projects that are media heavy, or if you simply want to have your favorite playlists within reach. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Enjoy your newly enhanced Notion experience equipped with all the media tools you need directly at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or comment if you found this tutorial useful. Have a great day.